Death is like a door. We pass from this life going to another kind of life that is eternal. And that is what Jesus is saying. Life after death is not just a continuation of life here on earth. He says, to those who have been deemed worthy to attain to the coming age, they will no longer marry and remarry. But the point is this: life here on earth is not continued the same after death. Sabi nga ng Panginoon, they can no longer die, for they are like angels. Sinasabi natin, sumakabilang buhay. Lumipat na siya mula sa buhay na ito tungo sa buhay na walang hanggan. Buhay pa rin, pero ibang klaseng buhay. Buhay na wala ng kamatayan. Buhay na magpasawalang hanggan.